Hi class, good day. This time, we are going to talk about harmonic sequence. So what is a harmonic sequence? A harmonic sequence or a harmonic progression is a sequence of non-zero numbers whose reciprocals form an arithmetic sequence. For example, 1/2, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8, and 1/10. Do you think this is a harmonic sequence? Yes! Since the reciprocals of the given terms 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 has a common difference, which is 2. Let's try! Determine whether the following sequences form a harmonic sequence or not. Number 1, 1/2, 1/8, 1/14. Yes, because the sequence 2, 8, 14 is an arithmetic sequence. The common difference is 6. Number 2, 1/4, 1/7, and 1/11. No, because the sequence 4, 7, 11 is not an arithmetic sequence. It has no common difference. Number 3, 2/3, 1/2, 2/5. Yes, because the sequence 3/2 to 5/2 is an arithmetic sequence. It has a common difference, which is 1/2. How are we going to solve for the nth term of a harmonic sequence? Find the 12th term of the harmonic sequence 1/5, 1/7, 1/9, 1/11. First, let's write down their reciprocals. Then get their common difference. The common difference is 2. Now let's use the formula in finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. We have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now let's substitute the values. It's time to look for the 12th term. 5 for a sub 1 plus n is 12 minus 1 times 2, which is the common difference. So a sub 12 equals 5 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, then times 2. We have a sub 12 equals 5 plus 11 times 2 is 22. A sub 12 equals 5 plus 22 is 27. This is not yet the answer. Write its reciprocal. So a sub 12 equals 1/27. So the 12th term is 1/27. Find the harmonic mean of 9 and 12. So we are going to let 9 as A and 12 as B. So we are going to let X be the harmonic mean of 9 and 12. Now it's time to use this formula to find the harmonic mean. We have X equals 2AB over A plus B. Then let's substitute the values of A and B. So 2 times 9 times 12 over 9 plus 12. Simplify. 2 times 9 is 18. Then times 12 over 9 plus 12 is 21. 18 times 12 is 216. Then over 21. Then we can reduce it, divide both by 3. So we have 72 over 7.
Hi class! This time, let's talk about Fibonacci sequence. What is a Fibonacci sequence? In 1202, the Italian mathematician Leonardo Pisa, also known as Fibonacci, introduced the infinite sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on, now called the Fibonacci sequence. The first two terms are both 1, and every term thereafter is the sum of two preceding terms. For instance, the third term, 2, of the sequence is obtained by adding the first two terms. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Similarly, the fourth term, 3, is obtained by adding the second and third term. 1 plus 2 equals 3. This pattern continues. Any number in the Fibonacci sequence is called a Fibonacci number, and for each positive integer, n is greater than or equal to 1. The n term of a Fibonacci sequence is denoted by f sub n. Using this notation, the Fibonacci sequence can be defined recursively as f sub 1 equals 1, as f sub 2 equals 1, f sub n equals f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2 for n is greater than or equal to 3.
Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the Fibonacci sequence. Now it's time to write the first 10 terms of the Fibonacci sequence. And we already know the pattern. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10. Then simply add it all. The answer is 143. So the sum of the first 10 terms of the Fibonacci sequence is 143. Find the sum of the first 5 even numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. Take note, first 5 even numbers. So it's time to write sequence. We have 1 and 1. We have 2. Let's encircle all the even numbers to determine if we already have the first 5 even numbers. So we already have 2 and 8. So 3 more to go. Just follow the pattern. Yes, we have 34. Our third even number. 2 more to go. $55 plus 89 is... Yes, 144, and it's an even number. So, 1 left. 144 plus 233 is 377. 233 plus 377 is 610, which is an even number. So the first 5 even numbers are 2, 8, 34, 144, and 610. Then, just simply add them all. The answer is 798. So the sum of the first 5 even numbers of the Fibonacci sequence is 798. That's all for today, class. Thank you. Bye. See ya.